Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I created this double exposure right here with Snapseed. So as you can see, this is the original design as you have seen on screen. I edited what you saw earlier with Lightroom. So the PLP file for this will be in the description. Is already the design, the image is already fixed for you. So all you need to do is just download that and follow me as I create this tutorial. So let me just delete this real quick. So the first thing you have to do is to open the design. So once you open your design in Snapseed, just this one exactly, after opening the design, the next thing you're going to do is to click on tools, click on double exposure, and then click on the plus icon, and then you select the 3. So by selecting the 3, the 3 is straight. So what we have to do is to position this slightly. I'm just going to turn this like this. Make sure this top, you can see the head. Okay, let me increase it a bit. Increase it, see this part is touching the end. Yeah, I think this is okay like this. I'm bringing it down. Take a look at the curve at the top there. It's touching his head, just that size. So that will help you. So okay, I think this is okay. I think I should make it slant a bit. Okay, yeah, I think this is okay now. Let me push it. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. After fixing it like this, let me increase the opacity to 100. Click on the check mark icon. After fixing it like this, click on this icon at the top here. Sorry about my voice. Click on V-edit. Click on double exposure. Click on the middle icon, and now this is it. Now let's now we'll just clean out. Since the image is fixed, we just have to be cleaning out the tree area. Look at this down here. This is that the double exposure is 100, so I'll just increase this all the way first. Increase this all the way first. Just don't allow it to touch his. You're already touching the edge of his body. So let me just do this part first. This part doesn't matter for now. Let me do this part first, so you can see it's transforming. So now let's zoom in and trace this thing perfectly. So if you are zooming in, the size of the double exposure will be smaller, so you can see it's smaller. So let's work on the hand area first. Let's work on the hand area first. So I'll just do this. Let me just trace this first. Let's trace this first. Let me zoom in again. Let me zoom in again. It's still at 100. Look at it, it's at 100. You have to make it 100. Click on the arrow here. This arrow here. This arrow will take it to 100. Just click on this, it gets to 100. So let's work on this first. Just be cleaning. Zoom in. Like I said, if you are zooming in, the size is getting small. So you can see that's how you'll be able to work on the edge perfectly. So I'll just do this. Let's do this first. Let's work on the edges first. Just clean. You don't have to be fast. So I might pause this tutorial if I'm a bit slow, but anyways, I think I'm fast. So you can actually pause this tutorial. You already know what I'm doing already. You know I'm just tracing. I'm just tracing his crystal body. The full credit to this video. The credit to this video is given to crystal. Though it took me a while before I could find the image. I got the image from Retna. If you have seen my previous tutorial on Nigerian mockups, that's where I got it from. So you can check that tutorial as well. The link will be in the description. Okay, anyway, we're going to clean this. It has come out from design, but we're going to clean this later on. So let's just keep on going. Let me zoom out. If I zoom out, this erasing size will get bigger. Sorry about my voice once again. Okay, let me do this area. Just take your time. This is just the first erasing. So take your time. Zoom in. You can zoom in very well, so you can trace very well. Don't let it touch the edge first. We're going to reduce the double exposure transparency for the edges. So let's just follow me. Let's go to the hand area. To the hand area. To the hand area. Okay. Just follow me as I do this. As I do this. As I do this. Okay. Just let's keep on. Oh, anyways, I'm going to clean this. That is the mistake I actually made. You can see, like I said, if you zoom out, the size of this, you can see the circle that is increasing by itself is getting larger. So it's kind of anywhere you touch. If you touch the edge, very close to the edge, it's going to touch outside of the design. So it's more like stressful for us now. But anyways, let's just keep on cleaning all this part. Since it's at 100, that is how I put it. 100 is at there's no transparency for that. Yeah, so it's exactly the design quality, and the opacity of the tree will not be reduced if the double exposure is 100. So in order to do the edges, we're going to reduce the opacity, the double exposure opacity, so that it can be seen that the tree is on someone's body. So this is his hand. I'll take this now. Click on the arrow that's facing down to 75. You can use it to work on his hand area. That's his hand area. His hand area. It's not going to show like that, but okay, let me take it back to 50. Yeah, I think 50 is okay. Let's do 25. Yeah, let's use 25. 25 for this part. Okay, no, this thing is not doing well. Let me go back to 50. Yes, this is it. Okay, we're going to come back later for that part. Let me just see. Okay, now let's start tracing this perfectly. I'll zoom in very well. Like I said, for the edges, it's 75. Push the top arrow to get to 75. If you're past 75, click on the down arrow and you go back. So now we're taking this close to the edge. Taking this close to the edge. So you should do that. The opacity has been reduced to 75. Sorry about my voice once again. The opacity has been reduced to 75. So just use that 75 to trace this edge. So that's what I'm going to be using throughout, since we're now working on the edges. So I'll zoom in. Okay, I can't zoom in again. This is the highest. Just keep on tracing. I'll be a bit fast. You should already know this is not hard. We're just erasing. So this isn't hard. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's okay. Just do this for the edges. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Sorry about my voice. Okay, I'm still tracing. You can take your time. Like I said, you can take your time. I don't want to just pause this tutorial since I think I'm a bit fast. So that's why I'm not pausing this tutorial. So I'll be a bit fast. Just keep on tracing. We're still at 75. The exposure opacity is at 75. So do this for this side. Let's go down. Yes, this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, this side is not that perfect. I'll work on this. Okay, just take your time. Don't worry about the parts that is showing outside. We're going to do that. Let's just finish this inside part first. Make sure that the double exposure opacity is still at 75. You can look at it down there. You can see that. Look at it down there. See double exposure. You can see it's at 75. So you can just readjust that by either moving the arrow up or the arrow down till you get to 75. So let's just keep on erasing. Okay, this back, it doesn't the back is not needed. So we'll go to his throat area. Let's just do this. Okay, this tutorial is even faster. But anyways, thank God it's actually fast. So don't worry, it has come out from the page, but don't worry about that for now. Still at 75. I'm still at 75. I'm just working on the edges. So because the reason why we're using 75 is because if you use 100 will take that tree to its full opacity. So it won't really blend well because these should I use the word maxing here? But kind of like we're maxing the tree into the shape, so it has to fit the shape. So since 75 is not at the full opacity, that place will not be like that place will not be totally okay, sorry about that. The tree won't be very, very visible at that edge. So just keep on doing this. You can actually use 75 in other areas as well, but that's not actually used in this tutorial. Okay. Let me take it back to 0. I've reduced the arrow back to 0. Sorry about my voice. Reduce to 0. Take it back to 75. Yes, 75. I'm working on his hair. 75. So you can see this is the hair. So now let's go to this part that is very, very black. So I'll just be touching this side, just touching it, so that it can be of the same color. Touching it. Take your time, just take your time. You already know what we're actually doing in this tutorial. So I'll just be reducing this, doing this. Okay. This isn't okay. This is okay. Like I said, just touching those areas. So now this one has come out. Once it has come out from your the shape or maxing it into, reduce it to 0, zoom into that place and then touch the top so you can see it's cleaning. Yeah, this is it. This is how we're going to clean all those parts that this part is not really showing, it's already black. I'll take it back to 75 and I'll touch this part. Now it's grey. Let me use let me work on this part a bit. So I'll take this back to Z. Okay, yes, I'll take this to 25. You see, it's not touching his hair now. It's just like the background side. So, okay, I made a mistake. It's touching his hair. But anyways, let us continue first. Let me zoom in and work on this part. Okay. Let me take it back to 50. So I'll just say 75. Let me say 75 for this area. Alright, sorry about my voice. I'm really sorry. I think okay, I think I've done this. Yes, I've done this. Alright, let me just I'm at 100. This 75 I mistakenly touched inside, so I'll start cleaning your back. You see the tree is getting clear, so I'll just use that. That's okay. That's okay for now. Let me take it back to 25. Okay, doesn't really matter though. Okay, let me use 0. I've taken it back all the way to 0. Alright, so this is clean. I'll take it back to 75. Touch it. it. Alright, I think this is very sick long. Now let's rush this part. Let's zoom into this neck area. All the part that has come out, take it back to 0. Okay, yeah, 0. Let me, if you zoom out, the size of the eraser tool that we're using will increase. So just be careful so that you won't go and erase the inside again. You will not start going back to the inside. Let's zoom in. Clean here, clean here, clean here. Just be cleaning. Okay. Okay. So you can see that. You can see that. Just keep on doing that. This side. Okay. Okay. Alright. You can see all this part of that showing. Just work on that real quick. Just keep on. Okay. Let me zoom in now because I'm close to his hand area. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Yes. Okay, I can zoom out now. Yes. Keep on cleaning, just keep on cleaning. Zoom in. Alright. I think that's not all, but I don't know whether I should just pause this tutorial now and rush this part. But I'm not doing anything else again. You guys are going to do the rest yourself. So that's why I just want to leave this tutorial. Yes, that's right. You guys are going to do the rest yourself since you already have the resources. So we're doing the edges. Yes, can see cleaning. I went a bit inside, but it doesn't matter. Since this is a tutorial and you already know what to do, just do this and make sure it's in your own taste. Even this part is nice, but let me just clean it since it's not actually did in the tutorial you guys, I mean the thumbnail you guys saw or the design. So I'll just now, yes, this is okay. This part, see, we made a mistake here. This part, so I'll take it back to 100. Touch it. Yes, yes. I've covered that part. So you can see that this is part is gray. It was 75 we used in that area. 75. I think this part has shown. Let's take it back to 100. Okay, not really showing here. Nothing showing. Nothing really showing here. Nothing really showing here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This we made a mistake here. Thank God I remembered. So just keep on cleaning. Cleaning. Any parts, I think I'm just going to leave this tutorial now, since you guys should already understand. You should already understand what I'm doing here. So you just need to, don't rush. Just take your time so that this thing can come out perfectly. Don't mind this area here. This area color will be somehow gray. So I'm going to, we'll just take your time, reduce it to 75, 50 or 25. Then yes, 25. I suggest use 25. So you can see that place is very, very light. So you can just trace it. It doesn't really matter when you edit the hair and increase the lighting. That place will blend to change white. So this is at 100. You can now start anywhere you want to make more visible. Just go there and work on that. So this is it. This is how I did this. The main double exposure, the main thing you're actually looking for. This is how I did the main thing here. It's not hard. Just I've already done the PLP for you guys. Import it here, then import the 3. The same way I walk you through the process. But this is a tutorial, so we can't possibly take all our time in this video, so it won't be very, very long. So just blend it, 75, 50, anywhere you want. Just make sure the edges are, not 100, so that the thing can take the shape of this image. So once you are through with this, once you're through this, just click on the check mark icon down here. Once you click on the check mark icon down there, go back by clicking on this arrow here. Then save this design as an image. So I'll go to export. Once you go to export, click on save. So this one will save now as a picture. So I'll head over to PSCC to show you guys how the design looked in PSCC. So this is my design in PSCC. So you might be wondering, you can see the birds and font. Like I said, you guys are going to do this part yourself. There's nothing about yeah, even a beginner can do this. So the what's it called? The bird and this thing. I think okay, maybe I will do that PLP file for that, but you get everything, all the design resources here. So this is it. So let me just disable these layers so you can see. Okay, sorry about this. So you can see I've shown you guys from my previous tutorial on how you can use the lens flare. So just watch that and add this to your own, just to your own taste. See, I place one, like I said, I use my own my lens flare. One here the text, and since this was the best, you start to just be creative here. So you can see where I place this. So I place this, and I place one, and this is arm at the top where his face is also. So yeah, okay, sorry about this. So okay, I've disabled the layer. So this is it. This is how I placed all this. So don't stop here. Once you have added the lens flare, now go back to your editing app, be it Snapseed, Lightroom or whatever. Just go back and edit that. So I'll go over to my Lightroom and show you guys the final outcome in Lightroom. So this is it. This is the final outcome in Lightroom. You can see the before. This is the lens flare you're seeing right now. And this is the after. This is after I edited with Lightroom. In case you're wondering how I did this, you can also check out my Lightroom playlist, my Lightroom tutorials on this channel. So just go to check that out. All the links that you need to be in the description box. Lightroom, PSCC, everything is there. So this is, guys. If you found value from this, do well to like, share, and subscribe, and share this video to someone that truly needs it. And once again, thank you for getting my channel to an additional 10,000 views in the next 30 days by this month end. I just want to say thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you for checking out this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.